Welcome guys, in today's video we will explain to you how to create a short storybook for children using ChatGPT and Canva website. We will create a storybook for children like this one that I designed. The first step is to create a short story. You can either find the one on the internet or you can go to the ChatGPT and ask generator to write a short story for kids to learn something useful. Here I used the easiest prompt. So now ChatGPT has created a useful short story for children. Later now go to the Canva website and type in the search storybook. Now click on the create blank option so that we open a page that is the appropriate site for the story. The next step is to change the page background to a different color. Here I have chosen this color. Now we want to add a frame to place pictures related to our story. So on the upper left side you can see the elements button. You should click on this button and then you should scroll down a little bit and you will see the frames. Now you should click on the see all button and you will see all frames. Now I'm scrolling down to see the blob and I will choose these frames. Now you should browse these many shapes, then add the one you like. Next, add the first section of a story as text on the first page. Well, to do this, to add the text, on the upper left side, you can see the text button. You should click on this button and then you will see default text styles. I'm choosing subheading style. You should click on this one and then you will see the text. Now I'm going to change the fonts of it. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Probably I will end up with Canva student font. I'm just copying this one and adding to every single page. Okay, the next step is to add decoration to the pages. Now you should open the elements section. Now you can see right on the top there is search elements button. You should click on this one and now you should write what you want to add. Alright, now you should add this onto your page and now you can decorate every single page. Now I'm adding these cute pictures from the graphics section to the front page. After that, open the transparency and reduce the value to 40 or 30 or 50, as many as you want. If you want to make the image behind the text to give aesthetics to the page, you should click on the position button and then on the left side, you can see the orange button. Alright, and now you should click on the to back button. And now you can see that your text is behind your picture. Alright, in this way continue adding interesting shapes and images to the rest of the pages and then make them semi-transparent. I love using Canva because it has a lot of free elements that you can use. Of course, if you will have a premium subscription, you will have way much more features, but even without it, you can use Canva and it's gonna give you a lot of options. Also, I love the fact that you don't have to search for the elements by your own, so you don't have to download all the pictures to your device and upload them to the Canva. It's way much easier to have everything in one app. The next step is to create images that relate to our story and then place them in frames. Now we will use the new feature. It's 100% free feature. Now you should open the elements button. Alright, and you can see there is image generator and you can see that there is a button generate your own. You should click on this button and now you can see that there is images, graphics and videos. We want to create images, so now you can see that Canva asks us to design what we like to create. Well, now you should enter some words what you want to have and you can also choose the styles of it. I'm gonna use watercolor style. So here you have 4 new pictures that Canva designed for you. You can choose the one or you can generate more. I like this picture and now you should click on this one and transfer it to your frame. So there are a lot of images ready for use in case the image generator is not working. On the next page, I will create an image of rain on the meadow. The third picture is gonna be a tree. The fourth picture is gonna be a kind guy. The fifth picture is gonna be a golden field. And the last one is gonna be a little boy. Well, it's such a great feature if you want to make your book with unique pictures. Of course, you can also find these pictures on the internet. It's not a big problem, but I love when Canva makes interesting pictures for me. I guess it's way much easier than finding pictures on the internet, and also it takes less time. To be honest, when I first heard about creating my book, I thought that it would take a lot of time, but as it turned out, it was very quick. The whole process took a maximum of 20 minutes, and it is a good idea to make such a book with your child, where your child can be your GPT assistant when it comes to writing the text. Alright, now we have successfully completed creating the story. To make the story a book flip, click the share button on the top, then press the more button. Now you should scroll down, then from the design section, choose simple booklet flip and then press open. Alright, now you should sign into your Canva. You can use your email, Facebook. We will use this website as a third party to create the book flip. Alright, now you should go to the Canva. Now you should save it. Alright, and now you can see the button that you can show it in simple booklet. You should click on this one. And as you can see, the storybook has been created successfully. We can now turn the pages in a beautiful way. Okay, now as you can see, you can change the title name. I will name it as Sammy's Journey. And also you can choose a page flip. You can see there is recommended ones, page spread, single page, and threefold. I'm gonna use page spread and I really like the page curl. Alright, now you should click on the convert button. And here you have your own book story for your kids. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more tutorials like that.